No, my lord, not the 6th.
Lelanga benihamba ngalo nomsolo kakade kuyi-6 kaJune 2020.
What day? What was the date?
It was the 5th of June.
Yayithini date uthi kwakade kuyi-5 kaJune.
Okay. When I ask you during trial within a trial whether accused number 1, when you said he was giving directions, was he communicating with you directly or was he communicating with Colonel Khatebe?
He was communicating with Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe, my lord.
Ngalesikhathi ngikubuza kulesiya sigaba i-trial within a trial ukuthi umsolo wayekade ekhuluma nobani nawe noma no-Colonel Hadebe uthi wayekade ekhuluma no-Lieutenant Colonel Hadebe.
All right, let's start here. You just told the court, and it's previous evidence, that accused number 1 told Colonel Khatebe that if you can take me to the entrance of First Loras, I'll be able to show you the directions. Is that so?
That is correct, my lord.
Uthi bese sowushilo kubufakazi bakho esikhathini esidlulile ukuthi umsolwa utshele uLieutenant Colonel Khatebe ukuthi uma ningangisa naphaya iFirst Loras iqala khona ngizokwazi ukunibonisa ukuthi sasiyephi uthi yebo.
So the person who was better able to take accused number 1 to the entrance of First Loras, was it you or Colonel Khatebe?
It was myself, my lord.
Umuntu obekade ekwazi ukuthi ayise umsolwa First Loras indawo la kungenwa khona kweFirst Loras ubani wena noma uColonel Khatebe uthi bekuyini?
Colonel Khatebe, was he familiar with First Loras?
That one I cannot answer, my lord.
uColonel Khatebe yena wayekade eyazi na iFirst Loras uthi lokho angikwazi ukuphendula.
So you did not bother to ask him if he was familiar with First Loras? Did you bother yourself to ask him if he's familiar with First Loras?
My lord, Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe instructed me to drive him to First Loras. There was no need for me to ask him if he knew First Loras.
Manje uye wambuza na wena ukuthi uyayazi iFirst Loras uColonel Khatebe uthi inkosi enkantolo uye wangitshela uLieutenant Colonel Khatebe ukuthi ngishayele imoto iye eFirst Loras besingekho isidingo sokuthi mina ngimbuze ukuthi uyayazi na iFirst Loras.
It's very important. I'll show you later on that question is very relevant. Now this accused person, being a person that is familiar with First Loras, which when you left Albertine, did you ever join any freeway?
I joined the freeway, my lord.
Manje lo msolwa njengoba uthi uyayazi iFirst Loras uma nihamba ukuya eFirst Loras kusuke eAlbertine yena hamba kumgaqo uthela wayeka uthi yebo.
Which entrance of the freeway from Albertine did you join that freeway? Did you join it from N12 or you just join it from N3 straight from N3?
Repeat yourself.
He's asking that you please repeat.
I'm asking you a question. When you joined on ramp the freeway, did you on ramp on N12 or on N3 freeway?
The N3.
Ningene ngakuphi kuthela wayeka ku N12 noma ku N3 uthi singene ngo N3.
Did you on-ramp it on Grey Avenue?
My lord, we have to do, if you've got a problem with that, we can do in local inspection. I'll show you the road.
Uthi ningene ngo Grey Avenue uthi inkosi enkantolo mayingabe kunenkinga lapho singaya siyoyibona ngizokubonisa ukuthi singene ngaphi.
Do you know Grey Avenue?
I know Grey Avenue.
Uthi uyayazi Grey Avenue, uthi yebo ngiyayazi.
Did you on ramp on Grey Avenue, yes or no?
No.
Ningene ngawo Grey Avenue, uthi yebo noma cha, uthi cha.
Did you on ramp on Heidelberg Road? Yes or no?
That's correct.
Ningene kumgwaqo uHeidelberg, uthi yebo.
If you on ramped off on N3, Heidelberg Road, the first off ramp is Spruit View. Do you agree?
That's correct.
Uma ingabe nisebenziselo yamgwaqo wase Heidelberg, off ramp yokuqala is Spruit View, uthi iqiniso.
The second off ramp is Berry Murray,
That is correct.
Correct?
It's correct.
Esibini uBerry Murray, iFosloras, uthi yebo.
The first off ramp, Spruit View, is also a route that is leading to Fosloras. Do you agree?
That's correct, my lord.
The off ramp nayo yase Spruit View nayo iyakufaka eFosloras, uthi iqiniso.
Now, my question is, what made you to choose Berry Murray as the entrance to Fosloras? Because he asked you to take him to Fosloras. He did not tell you to off-ramp in Berry Murray or in Spruit View. What actually made you to off-ramp with Berry Murray? If
My
you
lord.
did not know the place.
My lord, the main road that normally is used by people going to Fosloras, that is where by the entrance you will get the big sign that's welcome to Fosloras. That is why I chose that road.
Manje ke uma ingabe nanikade ningayazi indawo, ungani niye nasebenzisa uBerry Murray ningasebenzisanga lo mgwaqo weSpruit View? Uthi mina kaningi abantu baye basebenzise lo mgwaqo onalesiya nalomfanekiso obhalwe welcome to Fosloras, yingakho ngiye ngaya khona.
I'm not talking about people, I'm talking about you. The decision you took to off-ramp at Berry Murray. Because there are two entrances. If you all off-ramp with N3, it's Berry Murray and Spruit View. What made you to choose Berry Murray?
It is the main road, my lord. Even ourselves, when we go to Foslo, we use that road.
Angikhulumi ngabantu, ngibuza wena uqobo lwakho ukuthi kunemigaqo emibini engena ngeFosloras, kungani wena ukhethe iBerry Murray uthi iwona umgwaqo omkhulu nathi uma siya eFosloras sisebenzisa wona?
Please don't use we. I'm still talking to you. I'm talking about the decision you took on that day, on the 5th of June. Not we, not the public. I know where you entered. You use Berry Murray entrance, but who said you must take that entrance? You must enter Fosloras through Berry Murray. It was not accused number one.
Let me remind the court, my lord. In my testimony during the trial, within the trial, I told the court that the accused said he's not familiar with Albertine. So
Yes.
only if we can get him into Fosloras, and I chose the easiest road to go to Fosloras. That is why.
Manje ke ungakhulumi ngabantu, ngibuza wena imibuzo hayi umphakathi. Kungani wena uthathe isinqumo sokuthi ungene ngoBerry Murray? Akusummangalelwa osho kanjalo. Uthi uma ngamkhumbuza inkantolo ngalesikhathi ngiphana ngobufakazi kulesasigaba i-trial within a trial, ngiye ngasho ukuthi umsolwa uthe akayazi iFosloras. Mina ngiye ngakhetha ukuthi siyothatha lowo mgwaqo ngoba kwakade kuwona osifaka eFosloras.
Colonel Khatebe told this court that accused number one said, if you can take me to the entrance where there is a shopping complex. Do you know that?
I'm not aware, I was not present in court.
Uthi uKenneth Radebe uye weza la enkantolo watshela inkantolo ukuthi umangalelwa yena uthe uma ningangisa la iFoslorus ingena khona la kune shopping complex uthi uyakwazi lokho uthi cha bengekho enkantolo angikwazi lokho.
I even asked Kenneth Radebe that there are so many entrances with complex, with shopping complex in Foslorus.
Were you there when Kenneth Radebe was giving evidence?
I was in my lord.
Yeah, please, he wasn't there.
When he was,
When Kenneth Radebe was testifying, was he, this witness,
No.
inside court?
I'm putting what Radebe has told this court. Because when Radebe was told by accused number 1 to say, take me to this place, I'll be able to point to take you to the crime scene. The question is, as per your evidence, you just told this court, you introduce your evidence by saying, accused number 1 told Kenneth Radebe, if you can take me to Foslorus, to the entrance of Foslorus. Now I'm telling you that when that was conversed between accused number 1 and Kenneth Radebe, Radebe said, take me to the entrance of Foslorus where there is a shopping center. I asked a question from Kenneth Radebe. I want to discredit what you are telling this court today, that Radebe was talking about the shopping complex. And I canvassed that issue of a shopping complex to him by saying it's not the only complex, shopping complex in the entrance of Foslorus. So what you are telling this court is not true. You are just misleading. This is not what Kenneth Radebe was told by accused number 1. Let's proceed.
My lord, as you enter Foslorus, there are shoppings there at the entrance. So I don't know which shopping complex you are alluding to.
Thank you.
Uthi
You're on the right track.
ngifuna ukubonisa ukuthi umsolwa akazange akhulume lento eyishoyo ngoba uKenneth Radebe ufikela wathi umsolwa uthe kuye amyise la kune shopping complex la kungenwa khona eFoslorus uthi Nkosi yenkantolo uma ungena ngeFoslorus kunendawo eziningi ezokuthenga uma ungena laphayana eFoslorus.
Will you agree with me that Lisedi is also a shopping complex? Lisedi shopping complex, do you know it?
My lord, I'm not from Foslorus. I don't know the complexes.
Uzovumelana nami ukuthi iLesedi nayo enye yama shopping complex uthi Nkosi yenkantolo angibuye eFoslorus angiwazi ama shopping complex wakhona.
And when you off-ramp using spread view, the first 10 on your left-hand side, that's the beginning of a shopping complex with a BP garage. Do you know that?
You are familiar with the area, I'm not.
Yes, I was born in Katlehong. I know the
Exactly.
place.
Uthi ke uma uphuma uqhezuka kuthela wayeka ngo spread view kune shopping complex lapha na mawungena uthi ke ufakazi wena uyayazi leyo ndawo mina angiyazi ummeli uthi yebo ngazalelwa eKatlehong.
Yes. The reason for asking this question is what made you decide that board, beside that this matter, this place is used by a number of people. On that day, on the 5th of June, what prompted you to off-ramp using Berry Marais?
My lord, I've already answered.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, maybe we should go there.
This question has already been
Mr. Mgomezo,
answered.
this witness has offered to take us there. We can arrange that. Otherwise, we're going to be here the whole year.
I
We
can
can
also
take the
ask-
court. No, just tell. We can take the court on an inspection in loco.
Thank you, madam.
If you're agreeable, I can postpone that for that. Because you know Katlehong, I mean, Foslorus, the witness tells you, I'm not familiar with Foslorus. You're telling the witness you were born there, and he wasn't born there. Maybe we should have an inspection in loco.
If that is...
Yeah?
the-
If you want it, you can make an application.
Yes, my lord. But I will not also
What?
ask only for the place, if the court may so direct. I may also include that engine garage.
No, we're not talking about an engine garage. We're talking about at Vosloorus, where he says he entered at.
My Lord, there's no need to go there.
I
to
see.
be honest. May I proceed?
Yes, because we're talking at cross purposes. This witness says, I am not familiar with Vosloorus. You are saying, I was born there. Do you know Lesedi complex? I don't know the complexes, the business complexes or shopping complexes in Katlehong or Vosloorus. Where are we getting to?
But my Lord, the subject of the argument is that Colonel Khatebe said, the accused
No,
said,
fine.
if you
That-
can take me to the entrance of Vosloorus where
Yes.
there is a shopping complex.
Yes.
I'm trying to demonstrate that there's a lot of complex. The other ones from Zonki Zizwe, there's also a shopping complex on the entrance of Vosloorus. I'm just
No, this witness says why he chose the route he chose. He is a board which says, welcome to Vosloorus.
Vosloorus,
And he
yes.
took it. Now, when you said that, he's being asked about, does he know Lesedi shopping complex?
That's it. It's the evidence of Colonel Khatebe.
Yeah, but this witness
The one
says,
who was conducting the...
this witness says he's not familiar with Vosloorus.
But my Lord, I just want to remind the court that we are rebutting the evidence.
No, fine. There's no
of
problem.
The state by saying accused number one is the one who led these witnesses to the place where the incident occurred.
No,
That's what we
fine,
are
no problem.
trying to rebut.
No, I'm not stopping you from
Let's
that.
move, Mr. Now, when you off ramp under the bridge, there's a robot. You pass that robot. There's another robot. At that robot, there is Butsilong Hospital on the left-hand side and a filling station. That's the entrance that you used. From where can you take us where accused directed you to? From that robot. It's first robot, when you turn right, under the bridge, it's a robot. Next to that robot, it's a taxi rank. You pass that robot. Next robot, it's the beginning of Vosloorus. Butsilong Hospital on the left, engine garage on the left. Take us there. Where did accused number one take you to?
My Lord, again, I'm going to repeat. When you are driving, you don't take points. You will listen to the direction. I
From
said,
who?
I said previously, from the directions that were given by the accused until we did the pointing out. I even said, if you said to me now, drive me to where we took the pointing out, I'm going to have a problem because I don't know that house. But to the hostel, I can take you.
Manje ke ake usazise ngoba wena uye nangena bese nadlula isibhedlela nadlula igarage sazise ke ukuthi kusuka lapho niyena yapi uthi inkosi enkantolo bese sengichazile mina ukuthi leya ndawo angiyazi namanje uma ungathi nginise la kwenza ke la besikade siyothwebula khona izithombe uthi ngeke ngizoba nenkinga ngoba ngingayazi leya ndawo kodwa indawo engiyaziyo uyi hostela lapho nginganisa.
The duty is on the state to prove that accused number one directed them to the crime scene. It's your duty now, as the driver who was directed, to tell this court what did accused number one say when he was directing you. If you say you can't, that means your evidence is irrelevant. You are not important to deliver this evidence.
I beg to differ, my Lord. That is incorrect vision that you are giving to the court.
Manje ke ubushushisi noma umbuso okwamele ubonise ukuthi umsolwa unisile kule ndawo le ewichaza ngakhona la kwenzakele isigameko ngoba uma kungekho njalo kusho ukuthi ubufakazi bakho abubalulekanga uthi mina ngingathanda ukuphambana nalokho akulona iqiniso.
Okay. The reason why I'm saying this is because you cannot assist this court to take this court from the second robot I've indicated to the crime scene. Correct?
It's correct.
uthi ngoba wena ingakho ngithi ubufakazi bakho abubalulekanga ngoba awukazi ukuthi usithathe kusuka kuleliya robot lesibini njengoba ngangikade ngichazile ukuya kundawo la kwenzakele isigameko uthi iqiniso uthi yebo iqiniso lokho.
But according to your evidence, before I wrap up my cross-examination, because there's no evidence coming from your side, how he directed you, let me just ask this question. When this accused person was directing you, as you allege, because there's no evidence,
Directing Lieutenant Colonel Khadebe.
yes, was he in any way misleading you? Was there any stage where he was misleading you in terms of directions?
My lord, the accused did not hesitate. He was calm, he was sober, he was cooperative.
Manje ngalesikhathi umsolwa lo ezebe enisa enitshela ukuthi nihambe kanjani sikhona isikhathi la ibekade enilahlekisa uthi inkosi yenkantolo umsolwa lo yena akazange asilahlekise futhi yena wayekade engaphuzanga amaze amponjwana futhi wayekade esebenzisa nathi siya kuyo leyo ndawo.
I was going to refer you to the photos that were my colleague has led you on, but I would see that they are no longer relevant because you could not take the court to the place where a crime scene was in terms of the directions. I conclude my cross-examination.
Yes.
Uthi bengizokubuza
Mr. Munisi, any questions?
But no question, madam.